Oh boy, that is, oh boy, one of the hardest things I think I've ever done. Trying to get my face under the water feels like someone has stabbed something right into the middle of my forehead. It is so hard. This thing is full of ice. Even the thermometer is frozen with ice. Oh, something I've got to get used to. This is the first time I put my face under the water. And of course, if I'm going to swim a mile in ice, I have to put my face in. It's not like I can do breaststroke with my face out because it'll take me twice as long. This kills. My lips are going to seriously burn off. It's on the thermometer, it says it's 1 degree. Whew, this is seriously hard work. Goggles are fogged up. Oh, the pain in the middle of my forehead is intense. Oh. Let's give this another go. God, this is so hard. Oh, my goggles feel like they're freezing to my face. Oh, I don't know, put that in there. But the amount of ice that's in here, look at all this ice. Oh, wait. It's okay, sitting in here like this, it's just getting my face in here. Oh, the pain in the middle of my forehead between my eyes. Whew. Right. I think I've probably only been here maybe 3 minutes. 4 minutes now. 4 minutes. Oh, it is seriously so hard. This is so hard. Oh, boy. Everything to do this ice mile was okay until I had my first go of putting my face in this water. Oh boy. Oh my God. Oh. Look at this stuff. Oh, that's it, I'm done. I can't do that. Oh, I can't even get my goggles off. Oh, shit. Oh, my hands are like claws. This is ridiculous. Oh. Sitting like this is okay, but my God, putting your face under the water is seriously next level. This is so intensely hard. I can't straighten out my hands, they've just turned into claws. 1 degree, this is what it's at. The best part is, this weekend, I have a special star guest coming in, Brianna Thompson. She swam the English Channel last year. She's only 17, and next month in July, she's going to do a double crossing of the English Channel, and she's going to join me here in the chest freezer. This is seriously hard, but I'll tell you what, a double channel crossing is going to be even more intense. Are you past 6 minutes yet?
Yeah.
Are we at 7 minutes yet?
10 seconds to go.
In 10 seconds we're at 7 minutes. Brianna's going to go for about 22 hours in the English Channel. It's going to be a bit warmer, but my God, let's see if she can do this. Alright, I'm out of here. My hands are wrecked. See ya.